And let's see if we can take our scooter on the beach. All right, guys, it actually only took 5-10 minutes. Couldn't even have enough time to cook a hot dog, and it is set up. No tools needed. I just got to figure out how to turn it on. Let's do this. Look what we got here. We have the iX8 from iScooter. That's right. Nice little unit. Folds up. Absolutely no tools to build it. Right out of the box. Simply power it on right here. Built for on-road and off-road. It's a pretty quick little guy. Has the dual 1200 watt motors on it, so it got 2400 watts of power. Like I said, built for off-road, and has some good right over the suspension. We're gonna go down to the trail over there and just see how it works on the trail. Nice and small, it gets through the little cracks where you can't go with a bigger vehicle. Horn, see, people know you're coming, but they don't usually even look. Great thing about the dual motors on this one is when you're going on inclines, it has the power to get your butt up there. I'm about 200 pounds-ish, and it has a lot of pull to get me up these hills. Right now we're on a nice flat trail along the lake. Right down there is the boat launch. The dual motors is a game changer in a scooter, you guys. With this off-road capabilities, that dual motor, you don't even need to be off-road. If you have a really hilly terrain like we do here at Regina Beach, the mountains or just anywhere that has, again, a lot of elevation, you need that. It's unbelievable how much power it has to get you through. Now we're gonna go see how this thing handles in the sand. We're gonna put it in 4-wheel drive mode. We're gonna go down to the beach. And let's see if we can take our scooter on the beach. Struggling a little bit in the deep sand. We're actually in the water. Oh, we're starting to... We're spinning. We're going to put her up. We have to get some foot power here. Oh, wow. He's actually pulling it off. Oh, there we go. It's sinking. We've got to get out of this deep sand. Come on, go, go, go. Gonna need a little bit of help with the feet. Yeah. Drive on the gravel part here will be good. Sand's a little soft. Oh. How's that for off-road, guys? Oh, it's just a little underpowered on the sand. Doesn't like that sand very much. All right, we're gonna go through the mud. I'm gonna see if we can make it through this. Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Like that. No problem. This thing's a blast. Nice lean-to. Handles like a charm. We got a little bit of gravel there. Four-wheel drive, you can feel that front wheel just breaking traction a bit when I'm pulling back because she wants to catwalk on me. It's crazy fun. And again, this thing isn't just made for the nice paved. It's an off-road scooter. So if you want to go off-road and want to open it up, go off-road. Go in the mud. All right. Well, guys, thanks for watching this. This is going to be my lake, one of my lake scooters to rip around, have some fun on the weekend, and get out to that Pota Park and play some radio. Throw my radio up in the backpack and have a little bit of fun, since I know this could go on the beach now. All right, a huge shout out to all of my viewers for watching. Thank you very much. You want to learn more about iScooter and other brands, please click on this link and you'll be directed to where you need to know. And if you want to see me ripping around on another iScooter, check this out, DX5. Pretty fun. Sit down on your butt and kick back and cruise. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.